In this problem, we are asked to find the inverse of the function f of x equals the square root of 2x minus 3. The algorithm for finding inverses of functions goes like this. The first step is to write y equals square root of 2x minus 3, which is another way of expressing that function. The next step is to solve this equation for the variable x. To get rid of the square root, I will square both sides of the equation. To solve for x, I'm going to add 3 to both sides of the equation. And then I'll divide both sides of the equation by 2. So I'll get x equals y squared plus 3 divided by 2. We now switch variables and write this as y equals x squared plus 3 divided by 2, and if we write this expression in the function form, this is f inverse of x. F inverse of x will be x squared plus 3 divided by 2. The only other thing we have to worry about is the domain issue. For the original function, the domain is x greater than or equal to 3/2. If we were to plug all of those x's into this expression, we would find the range of this function is y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, one thing we have to recall is that the domain of the inverse function is the range of the original function. So the domain of this new function down here is the same as the range of the original, which is the set of positive real numbers. So I'm going to say that f inverse of x is equal to this expression, and the domain is x is greater than or equal to 0.